So hi guys, we got another parcel from Yogi Instinct. So let's not waste any more further time. Let's open it straight away. So in this package we got all these Beyblades and we gonna take a look at each of them one by one. So let's get started. So we got a hybrid wheel set here. It contains Capricorn, Gemios, Aquario and a right string launcher. So let's open it and let's take a look. Okay, so it's in a bubble wrap. So basically it's a used set, so some parts might be or might not be missing. Okay, we got the launcher, there is some stickering on it. Let's keep it aside for a while. Now we got these three Beyblades. So yeah, this is a right string launcher. This is Gemios. So we got a Gemios. Then here is the Capricorn. Looks good. Okay, so it is Aquario, but the crystal wheel and the face bolt is of Capricorn. So that is the case, but apart from that, everything is okay. So I guess it is expected from a used MFB set, and that's totally alright with me. And let's move on to the next unbox. So next here we got a Jet Vibron here. So this Jet Vibron is the new inbox packing. It's not a used one. So let's open for a quick look. But obviously it's gonna need its separate video. So I'm gonna open the Jet Vibron. Now you can see we got the stickers, everything is well packed. Jet Vibron, its weight disc and its driver, everything is here. So obviously it's all packed, so I'm not gonna open it right now. We'll do a separate video on Jet Vibron, then we're gonna talk about it. And we'll have enough time to discuss about it in detail. So let's keep it aside for a while and let's move on to the next one. So similar to the last one, we got another Super King booster here and I already know what it contains. So basically it contains a Drasil Viper and look at that. We got a Joker layer and obviously these are Drasil Viper stickers, so that's how we came to know it's a Drasil Viper. This is all the packing and we got this 10 disc. Let's assemble the slash Joker. So here it is slash Joker 10 keep. So I guess Yogi sent it as a gift, so thanks Yogi for that. So let's close it and let's move on to the next bay. So now let me bring out the remaining parcels. So we got 3 of these left. So let me open them one by one. So very first let's open this Rising Ragnarok. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we got some documentation and I guess Yogi sent an extra gift as well. This is an extra driver and we got a Rising Ragnarok here. So it's not an NIB but it's a mint bay. It is pretty close to new, so that's great to see. So let's keep the Ragnarok aside for a while and let's move on to the next one. So this is the Trigger F. So let's open this one and let's take a look what it contains. So here we go, everything is packed. So it's a NIB and we can see the Trigger stickers here. So that explains it's a Trigger. So let me put it back since these Beyblades are much of a NIB. So they are pretty good bay. If I don't make a separate video for them, it would be injustice to them. So let's move on to this very last one. And I already know what it contains. So it contains a Kree Saturn or Saturn Best 3, whatever suits you, you can call it. And from the looks of it, yes, it's a NIB. So you can see the Kree Saturn or Saturn Best 3 sticker. So since nothing is opened, everything is closed. So I guess it's gonna go for another video obviously. So let's pack it. So guys, I would say this is pretty much it for today. I will make a separate video for each of these Beyblades because they have their own unique capabilities. So this video I made to update you like what I got new in my stock and what is next to come on our channel. So guys, with this I'm gonna wrap up this video and I will see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.